Hello, today I'm going to show you how and why to use simulation mode in our Gen 3 MKAT software. So simulation mode is extremely useful for training and testing purposes as it enables you to run tests without being connected to any external hardware, so you don't have to be connected to the test system itself. So this is great when you're writing test programs as it means you can run them without having to be physically hooked up to the system. So here's how to run simulation mode. MKAT software is split into two separate elements. You've got the editor and you've got the runner software. And simulation mode is activated through the runner software, which is the shortcut that's got the MK Test logo with a little green triangle next to it. So open the runner and log in. Systems are provided with three default logins, which are the administrator, advanced programmer and operator. You can find the usernames and password details for these default logins in the runner manual and also on the MKAT and AutoMeg FAQs on our website, which is mktest.com. You'll need to be logged in as either an administrator or an advanced programmer to be able to activate the simulation mode settings. Once you're logged in, click on the configuration button on the top menu bar, and it's the one with this cog and wrench icon. Then click on the simulation tab. Simulation mode is deactivated by default, so you just need to click on the X to turn it on, which will change the icon to a tick or a check mark. And if you want to, you can then just go ahead and click apply to activate simulation mode with all the other options as their default settings. But if you wanted to, there are several other options to choose from, so we'll just go through these as well. Simulate external devices enables you to connect to external devices such as thermometers. Then the remaining options, which is pass all tests, fail tests with high resistance, and fail tests with low resistance, all control which results are generated when you're in simulation mode. And again, you can either select or deselect these using the cross or the tick icons. Lastly, the percentage fail chance option controls the proportion of pass and fail results when you're in simulation mode. You can adjust this manually by clicking the up and down arrows or by typing in the number percentage that you want to use. Any changes made to the simulation options need to be confirmed by pressing the apply button. Once you've activated simulation mode, you'll see this flashing warning message at the top panel of the runner screen at all times. To turn simulation mode off, you just click on the top check mark to turn it into a cross again and then click apply. So that's it. It's really straightforward. One final word of advice though, if you open the runner without being connected to the test system, you'll see this error message. And it's basically telling you that you're not connected to any hardware. So that's obviously absolutely fine for the purposes of this tutorial, as the whole point is to use simulation mode. So in this instance, you just click OK and enter simulation mode as per the instructions in this video.